Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your AI Sofiya account, which is an awesome social media ad generator as well as a text-to-speech AI, and it also has the feature to create all your videos or design your posts with Adobe Express is powered by the voiceovers. And with that being said, guys, in order to log into your Sofiya AI account online on your computer or the AI Sofiya account, simply first open up your preferred browser, and after that it's on the search bar, click over there and type in the address aisofia.com. And guys, do make sure to type in the same email address or the same web address I'm typing over here on the search bar. After that, click on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of AI Sofiya. You can see, guys, this is an awesome AI which generates some AI ads for your social media ads, also your text to speech, as well as creates videos, designs posts. And with that being said, guys, to log into this amazing AI account or to log into this amazing AI, at the top right corner of the screen there you can see the login button available over here. Simply click on that login button, and then you'll be directed to the login page of Sofiya AI or the AI Sofiya. And now, in order to proceed, enter your email address over here with which you had signed up for a Sofiya AI account, and after that enter your password. But guys, if you have forgotten your AI Sofiya account's password, you can simply click on the forgot your password button over here to go to a page where you can retrieve or reset your email account or your Sofiya AI account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your AI Sofiya account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.